Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritcha. Today I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial about summer makeup look with very few products, and I will be telling you about all the products in detail. The very first product which I will be applying on my face is retinol serum by Himalayan Organics. Prepping your skin before makeup is really important so that makeup goes on evenly and stays put. The better and more hydrated your skin looks to begin with, the better the makeup will look. Therefore, take the steps to cleanse your skin before makeup and apply a good moisturizer or serum and then prime the skin. I'm literally loving this particular serum for nowadays. I wanted to try some good retinol serum for my skin, and it seems like I have found a perfect one. Massage it properly onto the skin so that it is fully absorbed and will also increase the blood circulation. The second step is priming your face. I'm using the Professional Primer by Benefit Cosmetics, and as you can see, I'm applying it clockwise and then anti-clockwise. This is a correct way to apply a primer which is meant specifically for hiding pores. Apply it onto your full face. Next step is applying a foundation. Here I'm using Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick, which gives a satin finish, is easily buildable and gives full coverage. This is my most favorite foundation stick these days. Even for the brides, it literally gives full coverage, and as you can see, it is able to hide my under eye dark circles too, and I will also be applying it under my lip area to hide that little bit discoloration. Can you see the difference between both? So this foundation stick has the coverage of a concealer, the fluidity of a liquid, and the weightlessness of a powder in a waterproof formula. The feel is so velvety and smooth, and it provides approx 12 hours of full coverage and adjusts to your unique body temperature to effortlessly blend into your skin. And one more thing I like about this particular brand is that it's cruelty free brand. As you can see yourself, this product literally gives maximum coverage with minimum product. While applying foundation on the face, start towards the middle of the face and work your way up and out. I advise using a clean makeup brush to dab onto the stick foundation and then apply to the skin and blend. Go little by little. Now coming to the eye makeup part, I'm using my favorite palette by Morphe. It's 35N. I will be using these two shades, the lighter one for the crease and the darker one again for the crease and outer corners of my eyes. I won't be using a single shade on the whole lid as I want my eyes to look natural while looking perfect for the summers. So this makeup technique will actually make your eyes look bright and beautiful while make them look natural and popped. Yeah, you heard it right. There is nothing like natural when it comes to makeup. Even to look natural, you have to do natural makeup. And the key to a perfect eye makeup is blending. Keep blending. As you can see, I have used a darker shade for the crease and the outer corners now. Now I'm using MAC Star Dipped Face Compact. Yeah, you heard it right. It's a compact as they say, but it has all the amazing highlighting shades. So I will be using this one for my eyes. It's not a glittery or shimmer kind of shade, but it gives a very natural and perfect sheen to my eyes. It's a limited edition by MAC and costed me approx $40, I guess. I bought it from US. Today for the dewy look, I will be using a cream lipstick as blusher. The lipstick is by Gorgeous Cosmetics in the shade Pink Flip. And I will be blending it with the Wet n Wild P65 brush. It's a perfect brush for applying blushers and highlighters too. And it looks absolutely adorable. So I will be applying the same lipstick on my cheeks, going with the trend, making the hearts, and now blending it with that same brush. I got introduced with Gorgeous Cosmetics while I was pursuing my course from Academy of Makeup in Melbourne, and I won't say all but most of the products of this brand are literally amazing. Just keep on blending, do some cardio with your hands and fingers to make it look more flawless and natural. Next part is setting the under eye area and some parts of your face with the fixing powder. I'm using Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder to fix it with a Morphe brush. For my eyelashes, I'm using Man-Eater Mascara by Tarte Cosmetics. This mascara is definitely a winner. I haven't had a single clump using this formula and my lashes look longer and lifted. This mascara lengthens and adds volume like crazy without clumping, and it makes it throughout the day without smudging or flaking. Tarte Man-Eater Mascara is perfect for swiping on right before a video conference or before a dinner date too. While applying mascara, always apply in zigzag motion. As you can see, the difference is like voila. I literally love this mascara. I have used mascaras of almost all the brands, but this one is definitely a winner, as I said. So if you are looking for a mascara which gives massive volume, infinite length and extreme curl, then this one is for you. It makes your eyes appear bigger and lifted with just a single coat. To make these even voluminous, you have to apply one or two more coats, but don't go for more than 3 coats. And always apply in zigzag motion. As you can see, I'm not going straight on my lashes. And this is absolutely waterproof formula. Next, I will be applying a lip liner on my lips. I'm using High Impact Lip Pencil. It's by Forever 52 Cosmetics. The shade is perfect to hide the pigmentation on the lips. Pigmentation is when you have darker lips, blackish kind of thing, that's known as pigmentation. So I'm outlining my lips with this lip liner and filling outer corners of my lips, and will just tap the lips. Now I will be using 2 shades by Physicians Formula Lipstick, Dose of Rose and Coral Minerals. You can also check out the whole range of these liquid lipsticks on my YouTube channel. I'm mentioning the link below, or you can find it with Best Drugstore Liquid Lipsticks for trying. Now I will be mixing both the shades and applying on my lips to give that perfect shade of pink I'm looking for. I'm applying it directly with wand, as I have a different lipstick collection for my clients and these are my personal lipsticks. Otherwise, I never apply it with wand on my client. If you are not comfortable, you can also use a lip brush. That's why I'm showing you here. You can also use a lip brush this way. Also, for outlining the lips properly, you will have to use a lip brush. So this is a perfect shade I was looking for today. Now to set it all, I will be using MAC Prep+Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. It's an alcohol-free spray, mega multitasking setting spray that hydrates, primes, refreshes and actually sets makeup. I'm using this today to give my face that dewy and summer perfect look. Hold the bottle 10 to 12 inches away from your face and spray evenly. You can also use it before applying makeup as a primer to hydrate your skin perfectly. Just after using a fixing spray, I will be using a highlighter. Again, I'm using the same palette by MAC Star Dipped. I will be using this shade on the highest part of my cheekbones. It's the same shade I used on my eyes. It will add that pink glow to my face. I'm using on the chin and the nose bridge and inner corners of my eyes. I was actually thinking that I should name this tutorial Pink Makeup Look instead of Summer Makeup Look. I have taken a flat brush to apply highlighter on my brow bone. I'm using the lightest shade from the same palette. And here is the final look. I'm loving this pink dewy makeup. It's perfect for summers. It's totally sweat proof and waterproof, as we have used translucent fixing powder and then we have used a setting spray to fix it, so it won't go anywhere no matter how much you sweat or you have hot flushes or you are underwater. It won't go anywhere, as all the brands we have used are totally waterproof. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe my channel Ritcha, and you can also follow me on Instagram.